My name's Lloyd Connell and my son Kenny. I'm the second generation of this farm. Started farming full-time in '93, and Kenny's number 3 generation coming along, and he has 4 other siblings that are also very interested in farming. Yearly, our farm produces 4.5 million litres of milk a year and is then distributed to be available in all grocery stores throughout southwestern Ontario. Our equipment's extremely important. If we didn't have good, reliable equipment, cows wouldn't get milk, cows wouldn't get fed. The skid steers we bought seem to impress us and impress the guys that are driving it at home. What do I like the most? Yeah, I guess a big part is having the kids involved for sure. You know, I love weekends when you get to work with your kids. Now, you didn't go to school, why? You wanted to come home and farm.
Yeah, one day I will take over the farm.